Welcome to Spy Trader. It's 6 a.m. on August 23rd, 2024, and I'm your host, Chuckles the Bull McFadden, here to bring you the latest news from the S&P 500. First up, Brazil's rolling out a plan to make capital markets more accessible for mid-sized businesses, with regulatory changes to lower fees and simplify audit requirements. With the Selic interest rate now at 10.5%, down from last year's 13.75%, they're aiming to stimulate their economy. Closer to home, Tactical Resources Corp., a rare earth mining company, is merging with Plum Acquisition Corp. 3 to go public on NASDAQ. This $589 million move signals big bets on rare earth mining outside of China, a strategic response to geopolitical tensions. All eyes are on Jerome Powell's upcoming speech at Jackson Hole. The market's optimistic with S&P 500 futures up 0.5% and expectations of a 25 basis point cut in September. What does all this mean for you, dear trader? Let's get some insights. Brazil's initiative could attract U.S. investor interest in mid-sized Brazilian companies, potentially diverting money from the S&P 500. Investors should watch U.S. companies with significant Latin American exposure. Tactical Resources merger highlights the need for non-Chinese rare earth supplies, attracting interest to the materials and mining sector. Rare earths are critical for tech and defense applications, which might boost companies in these sectors. On the macroeconomic front, Powell's speech is significant. If he hints at a dovish stance, growth sectors, particularly tech, could rally. Trading recommendations. 1. Watch emerging market ETFs. Brazil's changes might attract investors seeking growth outside traditional markets. Number 2. Consider materials and mining stocks. Stocks like MP Materials could benefit from the focus on rare earth elements. 3. Tech and growth sectors. If Powell eases market fears of high rates, tech and growth sectors could see a re-rating. Watch companies like Amazon and Alphabet. 4. Safe havens with dividend appeal. For stability, consider dividend-paying stocks in utilities and consumer staples like Procter & Gamble and Johnson & Johnson. 5. SPACs with promising projects. Look for other SPACs with solid businesses, focusing on management quality and project viability. And now, for a bit of fun, what's an accountant's favorite type of tea? Some tea. That's it for this episode of Spy Trader. Stay savvy, stay informed, and always trade with a smile. Chuckles McFadden signing off. See you in a few hours with more market-moving news and insights.